All right. So let's see if we are live. Let's see if we are live. Hello. All right. So let's see if we are live. Let's see if we are live. All right, guys. I've got a complaint in the Telegram channel that some traders are struggling to get into the live stream. So I will share the live stream link once again so that you guys can get access. So the link is back, right? I've got a complaint in the Telegram channel that some trader. So we are back right here. So you are welcome to ChartsEmpire Trading Institute. And today I will share with you my personal view in the market. As you all know, you can make a request of any asset you want us to analyze in the live stream, and I will take my time to go through them and I'll give analysis. All right. So you are all welcome. You are all welcome. So we have more 5 minutes to start the live stream. So I'm still trying to see if things are working perfectly. Let's see if things are going smoothly. Okay, things are going nice. Things are going nice. You guys can as well give a comment. You can give a comment. You can leave a comment. You can leave a comment, right? 5 more minutes to start the live stream. I'm just trying to check if things are going properly, if things are going well, right? Let's try to see if things are going nice before we get it started. Let's try to see if things are going nice before we get it started, right? So I'm gonna try to make some edits on the description for important information. Okay, we are good to go, right? Can share this live stream. Okay, we are good to go. Yes, we are good to go. We have 3 more minutes to start the live stream. You are all welcome. Grab your seats. Okay. Okay, guys. So today I have a lot of assets ranging from the forex market to the commodities, index, stocks, and the cryptocurrency market. So these are the 5 assets I trade in the financial market. Okay. These are the 5 assets I trade in the financial market. So these are the assets I will focus my attention on. So if you are just joining, you are welcome to ChartsEmpire Online Trading Institute. We have few minutes to go. Few minutes to go. Right, are we good to go now? Right, we are good to go. So first, let's start from the foreign exchange market. I know this is the major reason why we are all here, right here. So let's start from the foreign exchange market. As usual, you guys can comment any asset you want us to analyze in this live stream. Okay. If you are still finding it difficult to join, please let me know through the Telegram channel. I've sent a new link in the Telegram channel, right? Okay. So I have the British pound sterling paired against the USD. In fact, I have a lot of currency pairs. That's the British pound sterling currency pairs. I have the GBP Canadian dollars. I have the GBP Australian dollar. And I have the Euro Canada, the Euro Australian dollar. There is a possibility of a trade opportunity on these currency pairs. And as well in the commodity market, I have soya bean, and I have silver. As well, I have wheat, I have coffee, I have cotton, I have cocoa. The index market, I have XRP 500, I have the Australian index 200. As well, I have other stocks and cryptos. Okay, as usual, you guys can always suggest any asset you want us to analyze in this live stream. So let's go through the British pound sterling USD. Let's go to the British pound sterling USD. So here's the day chart. We are still in the downtrend, so the downtrend is still active. It's still active. Okay, Kelvin, you are welcome. So the downtrend is still active on British pound sterling USD. So I'm still supporting. We are still in the downtrend. So like I stated in one of the live stream I held on my TikTok profile, I said the bullish rally on British pound sterling USD is yet to be confirmed. So this is still just a short bullish swing. The bears are still dominating on the price chart of GBP USD. So based on this fact, if you want to buy, you have to be very careful. Actually, we bought. That was last week. We bought at this medium right here, and then we made almost 2.5 risk to reward ratio. This was a counter trade setup, so we bought and we got out of this resistance structure. So what is the future of the British pound sterling USD? So this is what most traders want to know. And then I've been receiving a lot of messages, requests from traders asking what is the fate of the GBP USD, what is going on. So let's go through this chart right here. First, the price is still in a downtrend, and then price is still gravitating at the key level structure of the 1.221249 right here. You can see this is the key level structure right here. So price is still trading at support. Technically, we should be looking to buy at a support. This is what technical analysis is all about. You look to buy at a support, but not all the time. You just have to buy at a support without putting into consideration strong signal reasons why you need to buy from support, right? You have to make sure there are strong technical reasons for you to buy from support. So at the moment, I can't yet figure out a strong reasons to buy from support. And I am still having my hands crossed on GBP USD. So, but I'm monitoring this asset to see how price would react at the key level structure of the 1.21232. This is my view on the GBP USD. Technically, I can't see any reasons to long or to short right here. Okay, if I want to short, I'll be looking out for a test of resistance structure or a test of this downward trend line. This is what I'll be looking out for. So if I can't see that on the price chart, then I won't be looking to sell, right? I won't be looking to sell or to buy. So this is my view on the GBP USD. I'm not looking to buy or to sell, but I want to see how price react to this support structure of the 1.21232 right here. Okay, now let's go through the my analysis is based on a long-term objective goals. I'm a swing trader, so this might sound not interesting to short-term trader like a scalper and the day trading, right? So I majorly like to give analysis based on my own personal trading or strategy. Okay, so this is why I said I'm not going to do anything on the GBP paired against the USD. So let's move to the euro paired against the USD. Euro paired against the USD, what is going on right here? If you are still finding it difficult to join the YouTube channel, please, I will make sure I resend another link again in the Telegram link. Okay, so guys, give me just some few seconds to get that done. So guys, I will send the link in the Telegram channel, right? So if you are not unable to join the Telegram link, then it means maybe you have a issue with your browsing device. You can try to clear your cache, right? So technically, let's summarize on the Euro USD. Euro USD price as well is still in a downtrend. So based on my personal trading strategy, in a downtrend, the price is still in a downtrend, and then the price is currently going within the range. So at this medium right here, this is where most traders are being slaughtered. So there isn't any reason for you to buy or to sell right here. So I am not looking for any buy or sell right here, not until we can see price breaking out below this low swing right here, and we can, if you can figure out a retest, or alternatively, if price is going to break above this upper dynamic, trend line of this bearish channel. So this is my view on Euro USD. So currently on GBP USD and the Euro USD, I am currently not doing anything on these assets because I can't see any reasons to buy or to sell on the GBP USD or the Euro USD. Likewise, let's check the Australian dollar USD. The Australian dollar USD is as well in a choppy market. It's in a choppy market. I don't see any reason why I should be buying or selling this kind of market right here. Like I stated, this is where most traders lose their entire money to the market. So this is not a trending market. I see no reason right here to be buying or to be selling. Likewise, New Zealand paired against the USD, nothing right here. USD, Canada, we have price at a potential resistance structure on the USD Canadian dollars. But technically right here, if you want to sell right here, you have to be very careful because we have this kind of a strong bullish trend right here. You can see this aggressive bullish volume right here. So if you want to sell on the USD Canadian dollar right here, you have to be very careful. As well, you have to put into consideration the formation of a bullish rally we got right here. You can see we have these low swings right here, and we have a series of high low swing right here, and then we have a higher high swings and a higher high swings. So basically this is still a bullish node trend. So if you want to sell based on the resistance structure we got right here, I think you should execute a small position size. But technically I am not comfortable to short right here. Okay, so this is my view. I'm not trading the USD Canadian dollars. So let's go to the USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen, what is currently going on? What is going on USD Japanese yen? USD Japanese yen, there isn't volume right here. However, price is in a strong bullish aggressive rally. So currently, I have no reason to buy or to sell right here in this market, but the market is bullish. So there isn't volume right here. There isn't much liquidity on the USD paired against the Japanese yen. As well, USD switch. What's going on the USD switch? USD switch. We are still in a, let's measure apply our trend line from the low swing all the way up. We have a series of a resistance structure. Let's get this resistance structure right here. We have another support structure right here. Okay, we have a potential support structure broken right here. And we have the lowest low. So currently, the price actions on USD switch, to my liking, I don't feel comfortable right here. So although there are traders who have been shorting this no rally right here, so I would rather prefer price to make a bearish breakout right here and to make a pullback before I can go short. So this is my view on the USD switch. So I have no open position on USD switch. So if you are selling right here, good luck. But technically, I have no reason to short on USD switch. So that's my view. I have other assets as well. I will just go through the major ones. I have a minor currency pairs, but let's go through the ones I have on my list right here. I have minor currency pairs on my list. So let's go through the GBP Canadian dollars and share with you why I think there could be possible trade setup on this asset. Okay. You guys can leave a comment in the comment section. Right. You can leave a comment. Okay. So let's check the British pound sterling Canadian dollar. After price make a bearish break of price out of this narrow rising wedge, price precipitated downward, and we have a pullback of price. So the application of our Fibonacci tool from the peak right here all the way down, you can see that price got a rejection at the 0.382. Technically, in a strong aggressive trend, price sometimes we usually find rejection at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is why I am monitoring this level right here. You can see as well we have a kind of a pattern structure right here, which is a double top pattern. We have a double top pattern right here, and this is one of the reasons I pay close attention to this asset to see if we can find potential sell opportunity. And so let's see our key level structures on this price chart. We have a key level structure. Okay, we have a support structure at this swing level right here. So price broke the support structure of the 1.66134, which was a support for price right here. This was on the 7th of June 2023. You can see the support structure right here. We added at the support right there, a series of support and a support structure right here. Likewise, a resistance structure right here. So we have a series of key level structure right here. We have a series of key level structures right here. You can see. So the rejection we had right here is a double top no pattern, which does support a bearish implication as well. The breakout, the failure for the key level structure of the low right here, which is at the price of the 1.66134 to act as a definite support for price. So however, price tried to make it a support right here, but Friday bar, that was last week bar, eventually made a bearish reversal bearish candlestick to close low. So this is why I am looking out for a sell node setup right here, for the fact we are in a strong downward move, and then we have a test of a previous broken key level structure, and then we have a pattern which supports a bearish implication, and then the Fibonacci retracement level that rejected this price is one of the important levels of the Fibonacci retracement too. So this is why I am looking out for trade opportunity right here. So based on this pattern right here, if we should take a sell setup based on what we had right here, technically what we had right here now, I kind of like this kind of pattern right here for a sell setup. So if I'm going to be selling right here, I'll be having my stop loss down to the previous low right here, and then have my stop loss, have my take profit right here, and then have my stop loss at the high of this no bar on the 4-hour chart. I trade majorly from the 4-hour day to the weekly chart. That is why you can see on my price chart right here, I have just 1 hour, 4 hour, and a daily, weekly, monthly chart. So based on what I have right here, I'll be looking to make a sell entry. So this is why I will have this currency pairs on my list. I've been monitoring this currency pairs right from last week. You can see the close of Friday bar. It was a strong bearish candlestick bar. So I will execute a sell setup right here after this live stream, and then I will have my stop loss at this high right here. So I'll be looking out for at least 5 risk to reward ratio. So this is what I have on the GBP Canadian dollars, right? This is not an investment advice. Please make sure you analyze the market before you make your decisions, right? So Kelvin said, do you trade base pattern or you trade base market structure? When you combine pattern with market structure, you are trying to build confidence factor. So my trading strategy involves comparing market structure, patterns, volume, momentum. So these are the factors I combine together to build confidence factors in trading. So as a trader, you can't just focus on trading just one setup or one factor. So if you trade majorly based on chart pattern, I think you are limiting yourself in the market, because the more confidence factors you have in trading, the higher probability your trade would be. So my trading strategy involves pattern combination and the market structure, top-down analysis, right, and the volume, momentum, okay, retracement level, Fibonacci 2, right? Yes, Kelvin. So my trading strategy involves pattern, market structure, and other factors combined together. So this is my view on the GBP Canadian dollar. So let's go through the GBP Australian dollar. GBP Australian dollar, what do we have on this asset right here? What do we have on GBP Australian dollar? Okay, hang on, I'm trying to respond to some questions right here. Traders, hang on, trying to give answers to some of the questions being asked by traders. Okay, so let's check GBP Australian dollar. GBP Australian dollar, I already made a setup on this. I already made a sell entry on GBP Australian dollar since last week. I already shared this trading setup with members in my Telegram channel. I've been charting right from this retest of this downtrend line. So let's expand this chart. So this is the GBP Australian dollar. Let's go to the daily chart, how I found this trade setup. So I have been monitoring this asset from the daytime frame. You can see the breakout of a rising narrow wedge. I short this currency pairs right here. I short it right here, and then I had my position again right here. I short it all the way down. I sent this trading signal to members in my Telegram channel. That was last month, in the month of August, month of September. I short this, and then I stated again, I'm looking out for a potential sell continuation on this pattern. So I constructed my trend line right from the peak right here to catch the low swing of the low high swing right here all the way down. And then I applied my Fibonacci retracement tool as usual, and then I found the rejection of the trend line right there and the rejection of the 0.5 retracement tool, which was a confluence factor. And then I had before the formation of the doji candlestick right here, I already started selling on Friday. So I sold the first the evening candlestick right here. After I figured out the evening candlestick right here, I made a sell limit order, and then I had my stop loss above. So currently I'm in profit in Australian dollar, pair of GBP paired against the Australian dollar, and then I'm trailing my profit. So I will be looking to add to my sell position. Actually, I missed the sell position right here. This pattern we got right here was an opportunity for us to add to our sell position. the pattern we got right here was an opportunity to add to our sell position, but I missed this entry right here. I missed this opportunity right here to add to my sell position. So what I'll be looking for right now is if price can make a pullback, then I'll be looking to make an entry at this low structure right there. So this is how I'm going to approach the GBP Australian dollar. So I already have a sell position on GBP Australian dollar. If you're in my Telegram channel, you should as well have a sell entry right here. That is if you analyze my decision and then it conforms to your own trading strategy. Like I always say, anytime I give out trading setup in my Telegram channel, I always advise no traders to analyze it to make sure it conforms to your own personal trading strategy. So, all right. So that is my view on GBP Australian dollar. So I'm looking now to add to my sell position if price can make a bullish pullback again to test this structure right here. So this way I'll be adding more sell. Okay. So that is my view on GBP Australian dollar. You can use the link in the description of this live stream to join my Telegram channel. I have the links in the description of this live stream. Okay. So let's check the Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollar. Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollar. What is going on the Australian dollar paired against the euro paired against the Canadian dollar, euro paired against the Canadian dollar. The price pattern I'm seeing right here is now resulting into a shopping market. So I am not interested to short the euro USD, but it was on my list of assets to trade this, or that was the last week, because I always make my market watch list on Saturday or Sunday every week. So after I made my set up my weekly market watch list on Saturday, I picked the euro paired against the Canadian dollar. But presently right now, since I have opportunities on GBP paired against the Canadian dollar and the GBP paired against the Australian dollar, so I will divert my attention away from away from euro paired against the Canadian dollar, right? So if you still want to take this right here, to me, what I can see right here is kind of a choppy market. Actually, I was looking to sell a pullback, but currently right now, I'm not looking for a sell setup on this asset. But anyway, it's still in a bearish flow of trend, as you can see right from the series of the higher swing right here. Price pattern keeps on changing. You can see we have a low high swings right here, and then the combination of these low high swings right here to the highs right here, we can see we have a kind of a head and shoulder chart pattern. Anyways, this is a broadening upright head and shoulder chart pattern. So if you want to take this asset right here, my objective was to make an entry at this zone and then have a tight stop loss at the high right here, so that I can take the early breakdown of this broadening upright head and shoulder. But since I have other currency pairs which I am already risking some funds right here, although my trade on GBP paired against the Australian dollar is already in profit and I have trades on profit, so I don't want to open a lot of trade. I just want to open just few trades, like maximum of 3 to 4 trade, and then try to ride my winning trade. So that is how I do. I have just like 3-4 trade and I try to ride my winning trade. So if you want to trade this asset, if I were to trade this asset right here, I would love to make an entry right here and have a tight stop loss above the structure right here, based on the pattern we got right here. A double top, a retest of the neckline, and then I'm anticipating for early sell of this head and shoulder chart pattern right there. But technically, a head and shoulder chart pattern is only confirmed when the price has broken through the neckline. So price is yet to break this below this neckline right there, so it is not yet a confirmed head and shoulder chart pattern. So it will only be confirmed once price can make a decisive bearish volume out of this structure of the 1.42411. So if price can make a close right here, then that would be nice. And if you are looking out for a retest, of this structure right here, there's a higher tendency price might not make a bullish retest of this broken neckline. Why is it possible? It is possible based on the low high swing we had right here. So based on the low high swing we had right here and the series of a double tops right here, if price should make a strong bearish breakout it is possible you might not figure out a retest, because technically the trend has already showed that this is a downtrend. So there isn't necessary reasons for price. Technically, there is no major reason or strong reason for price to make a test that, okay, this is a confirmation that the trend is definitely going down, because price already gave the confirmation that the trend is bearish right here. So that is, the price should break out of this neckline. So if you want to take this asset right here, if you are looking out for a retest after the strong bearish breakout, you might not figure out a retest. The only scenario where you could figure out a retest right here is if price should make a weak bearish volume breakout. If the bearish breakout right there is weak, if it is weak, price could still make a validation. But if it is accompanied by a strong bearish breakout, you might not figure out a retest of validation. So if I'm going to take this trade right here, I'll be looking out for when price will break this level right there. So if I'm going to be selling right there and then have my stop loss right there, because technically this is where you could have your stop loss at the previous low high swings in this downtrend. And this is why I think this trade is best for swing traders. So if you're a scalper or a day trader, this might not be a good trade setup for you, because the risk to the reward ratio will be kind of too high for what you can hold on your trading strategy. Okay, and then this trade will take like a days before it will yield a good result. And this is why I think as a scalper, as a day trader, this might not be a trade you want to look out for, because as a scalper, you are looking out for little profits, no short, no time trend opportunity. So if I'm going to be trading this, it's going to be based on swing trading strategy. So I'm going to have my sell entry right here. That is if there is a strong bearish breakout, and then I'll be targeting down, so to the major key level structure of the 1.29636, and that will be 3 to 3.5 risk to the reward ratio. So that's going to be a swing trading strategy. And then as well, we can apply the measurement objective of this head and shoulder chart pattern right here, right from the highest peak all the way down to the neckline right here. So that is almost 5.8%. If we should apply it all the way 5.8% down, so that would be around this medium right there. This is just to have an idea. It is not guaranteed price would definitely get to this medium. So from the breakout point right here all the way down, we should be expecting price at this level. So if I'm going to be making a sell entry at this level right there, will I be able to achieve the minimum 2 risk to reward ratio to the measurement objective level? So if I have my stop loss right here, that is possible. Yes, if I have my stop loss right here, the eye right here, and then I try to target the measurement objective, I have the room to achieve a minimum of 2.26 reward ratio. So that's my plan on Euro Canada. And there I have the Euro paired against the Australian dollar. Let's go to the Euro paired against the Australian dollar. Euro paired against the Australian dollar. Based on what we have right here, what is my view? What is my technical view? What are the things I'm looking out for on this asset right here? Well, I am looking out for price to break out of this pattern right here. If price can make a breakout right here, it retests, then go short. So this is my view on the Australian paired against the Euro paired against the Australian dollar, I mean. So these are the foreign exchange assets I have on my list. So you guys can ask questions. You guys can ask questions. You can ask questions. So let's go through other assets. I have active position on natural gas. I shared my position with traders in my Telegram group last week. I'm already shorting natural gas. I short from the peak resistance of this 3.50. I short this based on the day signal bar of the long-legged doji right there, and I'm targeting the lower band of this rising channel. So I'm trading a potential bullish trap strategy right there. So this is a bullish trap. So I'm trying to trade this bullish trap. So a lot of buyers have been trapped right there. So I'm trying to trade against the buyers in this market. So I'm already in profit on natural gas, and then I have traded some profits. I already sent my update in the Telegram channel. So that is what I have on natural gas. And there I have other market lists on commodities market. This is for the commodities traders. ranging from the soya beans, silver, and the wheat. I made a sell entry on silver today. It was a small sell position, and then the market hit my stop loss. So this is the first stop. I had this stop loss some hours ago. So I was trying to take the early sell of the retest of this no support structure right there, based on the low high swing we had right there. So technically, this was a downtrend, and then I was trying to short downward from this structure. I had this tight stop loss, so I was trying to short right here all the way down, and I had my stop loss. So the market hit my stop loss not quite long. I actually exercise a small position size, because whenever I want to get into a market, I always get in small, and when the market keeps on going in the direction of my anticipation, then I keep on adding more to my position. So this is what I've been doing on other assets, okay, and this is what I want to do on GBP paired against the Australian dollar. So I risk so low right here, okay. So this is my view on the silver. I'm still looking out for a set setup. If you can see a rotation of price all the way down, then I'll be looking out for a set setup. So what I'm seeing right here is price could still hit the structure right here and then still come down. If you can see that, I'll still make another sell entry on silver, right? So this could be like a pattern, like maybe a double top pattern for a downtrend. So that is my view on the silver. I have other watch list on coffee as well. I have an open position on cotton. I've been selling cotton as well right from Monday. I made a sell entry right from this structure of the rejection of the key level structure. I made the sell setup from this bar right there. That was at the price of the 87.30. So my trade on cotton is as well in profit. I share this trading setup with members in my Telegram channel. The setup is right there. I sent it out on Monday, how I'm going to be trading the cotton, and then I'm currently trading my position in profit. So I have nothing to risk again on GBP USD. I have nothing to risk again on GBP Australian dollar. I have nothing to risk again on natural gas. I have nothing to risk again on cotton. I also have other active position as well. So I shared everything in my Telegram channel. So this is all I want to share with you guys today, and this is the first analysis I'm going to be giving this year, live stream analysis I'm going to be giving this year, and I hope to always ensure this daily live market analysis. So to help us grow, to help the YouTube channel to go viral, please try to share this video and like this video and subscribe for more trading educational content. Thank you guys. So that is all. For more technical analysis and trading educational content, make sure you use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram.